Finding the courage to change. Monkeys and critics. I've recently learned about how being a mammal affects my thought patterns. My inner mammal has some strong needs: the need to belong, the need for approval, the need for status, and the need for safety. If any one of these basic needs feels threatened, my monkey mind is going to react. When I feel impatient, frustrated, resentful, scared, my inner monkey is busy reacting. Those reactions are both powerful and fast. Before I know it, I've fallen into reactive mode again. Once I've reacted, the voice of self-criticism begins. What did you do that for? What's wrong with you? Are you never going to learn? Between the monkey and the critic, I end up feeling that familiar, not good enough feeling again. Learning that the monkey mind reactions are natural and understandable has helped me. When my little monkey starts screeching, I've learned to pause and reassure it. All is well. Things are always working out for me. I don't have to react. By accepting responsibility for my monkey patterns, I've also discovered the secret to helping my inner critic as well. The critic wants the best for me and is also trying to be helpful. I just have to let that old inner critic know that I've got this. When I take the time to soothe the monkey and reassure the critic, I'm able to build a stronger inner foundation. I can be more authentic, more confident, and happier. It all starts from liking and appreciating that my most basic patterns are natural and normal. It's all good, but I don't have to react.